Hi Health Champs, welcome to HygiHealth. We are here to bring health and freshness right at your kitchen. At HygiHealth, our mission is to make healthy eating simple and accessible for everyone. We are thrilled to launch our special range of fresh products starting with our low glycemic index idli and dosa batter perfect for balanced meals. These products are made with love just for you, fresh, nutritious and ready to support a healthier lifestyle. Join us in the journey to better health with HygiHealth. Follow us for more exciting updates. Thank you.